name is Maria, and my group and I are doing a video on both animal and plant cells and their organelles. The first organelle we're going to go over is the mitochondria. It is in both plant and animal cells and in the cytoplasm. It is responsible for cell respiration, also known as biochemical process. Basically, it takes nutrients known as glucose, breaks them down into chemical energy, which is ATP, also known as adenosine triphosphate. It is composed of a double membrane, an inner and an outer. The outer membrane is freely permeable, and the matrix is the fluid inside. Another organelle found in the plant cell only is the chloroplast. The chloroplast is responsible to convert light energy with H2O and CO2 to produce food, also known as photosynthesis. The first part of photosynthesis is where it captures light through chlorophyll and carotenoids to form ATP. The second is electrons convert inorganic CO2 to organic molecule or a carbohydrate. This is also known as CO2 fixation.
My name is Alfred, and we're going to be talking about the smooth and rough ER for both the animal cell and the plant cell. Basically, the smooth and rough ER work very closely with the Golgi apparatus. They help synthesize lipids and protein. The smooth ER makes the lipids, and they help in metabolism of carbohydrates. The rough is studded with ribosomes. That's why it's called rough ER, while the smooth does not have any ribosomes. As you can see here, they are both attached to the nuclear envelope. After they make the protein, they send it to the Golgi apparatus, so it can be transported to the rest of the cell wherever it's needed. The Golgi body is present in both the plant cell and the animal cell. The Golgi has two sides, the cis side and the trans side. Basically, they get the proteins from the rough ER, and it comes to the cis side, gets modified, and then leaves to the trans side by vesicles. They also synthesis of many polysaccharides.
Hi, my name is Kendra, and I'll be talking about the cell membrane. So the cell membrane is a selectively permeable membrane to ions and organic molecules. It is a lipid bilayer, and it protects cells from its surroundings. It also controls the movement of substances that go in and out of the cell. It does this by passive and active diffusion. Active diffusion uses ATP. It also has some beta proteins, and those are known as channel, carrier, and receptor, and cell regulation proteins. Talking about the cell wall, and the cell wall is a protective semi-permeable outer layer, and it gives the plant cell strength and structure. It also filters molecules to pass in and out of the cell. The cell wall also has a plasmodesmata, and it allows communication between the plant cells. And the central vacuum is found in the plant cell, and what it does, it stores water, and it maintains turgor pressure.
Hello, my name is Ricardo, and today I'm going to be presenting two organelles out of the three that I'm going to be doing for the cell. So technically first we have the cytoplasm. It is found within every cell, both animal and plant. It is a thick solution that is composed of protein, water, and salts. And even though many assume it has no shape, form, organization because of its liquid consistency, it actually does, and it is through a network of proteins called the cytoskeleton, which I'm going to be covering next. So the cytoskeleton is composed of filaments and tubules found within the cytoplasm, as I repeated. It helps tether and organize our organelles, and it also helps within cell movement and cell communication and cell reproduction. So basically the peroxisome, you can consider it as a metabolic membrane within the cell, and it helps break down different molecules within the cell. It basically extracts hydrogen from the cell, transfers them into oxygen, and then after it helps produce H2O2, which is peroxide, which is giving us the name peroxisome. Not only that, but it can also use oxygen to break down fatty acids, which it can then supply for energy for the mitochondria to use for its production of ATP.
Hello, my name is Angel, and today I'm going to be presenting ribosomes. They are found both in the plant cell and the animal cell. They are located within the rough ER. They are consisted of RNA and other proteins. They basically bind messenger RNA so that they can synthesize polypeptides and proteins. Lysosomes are both found in the animal cell and the plant cell. They are quote-unquote the trash picker uppers, or the digestive enzymes within them can consume organelles that are either abundance of or either diet or bacterial viruses that are harmful to the cell. Three other organelles found within the animal cell and the plant cell are the nucleus, nucleolus, chromatin. The nucleus houses the nucleolus houses the chromatin. The nucleus is the brain of the cell. It allows things to flow with its permission, and is surrounded by a nuclear envelope. Within the nucleus is the nucleolus, which is the control center. It basically contains RNA and proteins, and it is involved in the process of producing ribosomes. Also found within the nucleus is chromatin. Chromatin is basically essential for our cell replication because it houses our DNA, RNA, and some protein.